Hey, Jimmy here. I hope you're doing well. And I actually put this video up because I'm actually here to request a quick favor from you. So in the description below, I have a link to a survey that I put together. So I'm already working on content for 2020, and I'm trying to make it the best investing content that I can put together. And I'm sure you're hoping for the same thing. But I thought it might make sense for me to get feedback from you as to what you're really trying to achieve with your investments and what you're hoping to learn about investing or what you're hoping that I might cover. Whatever it is, I'm really interested to hear about it. So in the description below, there's a quick survey. It should only take 3 or 4 minutes, depending on how much you want to write. And then I'm actually hoping to reach out to a few people, depending on how many people fill out the survey. I'm hoping to have more of a one-on-one conversation. So if you're open to that, please go ahead and fill out the survey, and there's a link in the description below. And I really want to thank you all for being part of this community. It's really meant a ton to me how many people, we're over 30,000 subscribers now, and I love the feedback and the back and forth we get with all the different topics that I talk about. So thank you very much. If you could take the time, please go to the link in the description below, fill out the survey, and hopefully I'll be able to reach out to you at some point soon. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.